Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, 15th of January 2021. In today's video I will present you a couple of interesting gadgets that I bought from Aliexpress. Let's start. Subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the ring bell. Thank you. The first item is a portable game console or brick console that comes in different colors, and it costs around $3, $2.91, and it's a classic game machine Tetris game. Okay. On package it says 9,999 games, but I don't believe it in that. Brick game made in China. Okay. Orange. I got orange color. Alright. As you can see, it's a classic brick game from back into the time when I was a child and playing this all day. To operate, you need two AA batteries. Probably the batteries cost more than the game. Funny thing. Okay. And it's working. 9,099 games. Sound. Okay. On, off. Start. I'm playing the tank game. Start. Okay. Oh. But the sound button doesn't work. And I will open the gadget and together we're gonna see what is inside and fixing the sound. Okay. You can see that the one wire that goes to the speaker, it's desoldered. Okay. By the way, you can see there is a display, a flat cable, and tiny board with cheap game. Nothing more. Whoa. That's why it's almost $3. Fix it. Now to close the case. Putting back all the screws, 6 of them. Whoa. Now let's try it. Whoa. turn off, turn on. My favorite game was a tank. Okay. It's a 5V 1A wireless charger module transmitter module that cost $1.68. Here it is. It's a different color. This one is a red. It have the coil for charging the phone, one LED that indicate two colors, and it's with micro USB connector. And with this thing you can make your own wireless charger for your phone. Only for $1.68. Let's try it. Red light, that means it's power on, and when you place your phone the LED will turn blue. Okay, let's try that. This is my phone with wireless charger. Look, it's charging. Let's try it again. Okay, it's working perfectly. I will use this model in next project of my videos. Okay. For around $1 per piece, you can get solar panel 5.5 volts at 100 milliamperes. This is super cheap, and I got 3 pieces, and I will use them in my projects. Behind the panel there is a positive and negative terminal, and they are amazing. And now I'm gonna show you with my multimeter how many volts they are giving. For around $4 or 3.86 cents, $3.8, you can get a mini digital scale for jewelry and for kitchen. Here it is. This one is with maximum of 200 grams and can measure with 0.01 grams. Okay. Oh. It looks nice. How many batteries are needed? They put 2 AAA batteries. Dongguan, unnamed battery. Okay. can't open it. I press it. Bye. Okay. Also, it have a LED backlight. Unit set. Okay. 000. Let's try it. Let's hit there. 000. Let's weight this epoxy resin. 30 grams. Okay. Let's try this one. 16.4 grams. Light on, off, on. Units. You can change the unit. Pieces. It's a nice digital pocket scale. I needed this for measuring the epoxy resin. Okay. 5 pieces of cheap LED lamp. You can choose the watts, 3 watts, 5, 7, 10, 12 watts that are working directly on 220 volts. The driver is already soldered on the board together with the LED chip. 5 pieces. I choose 7 watts. Cold white. $3. 5 pieces for $3. Here it is. The wires are already soldered by me, and now I'm gonna try it. Will it work? It says directly to AC outlet. Okay. One goes here, another goes here, and plug in. Will it work? Wow! It's working and it's super bright. Whoa, sorry, that killed the light. There is a heatsink and it's hot, very hot. That means that you need to place another heatsink for cooling down the LED diode that gives 7 watts. 5 pieces for $3, and you can make your own light bulbs. Let's try it again. Super bright. That was all for today's video. I hope you like it. Please share, subscribe, and visit my channel page for more DIY videos and gadgets from Aliexpress. See ya!